Are you tired of chasing leads with the same old tactics? What if I told you there's a proven method to attract leads like a magnet and it's simpler than you think? Yes, we're talking about creating a lead magnet that turns your audience into eager subscribers. Intrigued? Let's unlock the potential of lead magnets together. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this strategy is a game changer for your lead generation efforts, so let's dive in. Step 1, identify your audience pain points. The first step is to get into the minds of your target audience. What challenges are they facing? What solutions are they desperately searching for? Understanding their pain points is crucial to creating a lead magnet that truly resonates. Step 2 is choosing the right type of lead magnet. Lead magnets come in various forms: ebooks, checklists, webinars, free trials, and more. The key is to choose a format that best delivers the solution to your audience's problem. Remember, relevance and usability are paramount. Step 3, create valuable and actionable content. Now, it's time to create the content that delivers on its promise. Your lead magnet should provide immense value, offering actionable advice or solutions that your audience can implement right away. Quality content not only attracts leads, but also builds trust and credibility. Step 4, design for impact. First impressions really matter. Design your lead magnet with a professional and appealing look that reflects your brand. Use engaging visuals and a clear, concise layout to ensure your audience finds it irresistible. Step 5, optimize your landing page. Your lead magnet needs a home, a landing page where visitors can easily download it in exchange for their contact information. Make sure your lead magnet is optimized for conversions with a compelling headline, brief description of the lead magnet, and a straightforward form. Step 6, promote your lead magnet. Last, but definitely not least, promote your lead magnet across all your marketing channels. Social media, email newsletters, and your website are all powerful platforms to spread the word and drive traffic to your landing page. Creating a compelling lead magnet is your ticket to building a robust list of engaged leads. Start today by following these steps and watch as your audience grows and your business thrives. Ready to create your own lead magnet and see the results for yourself? If you found this guide helpful, share it with your peers. Hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable insights from Boise Web. Together, let's transform your lead generation strategy.